Knowing good vocabulary is an essential part of producing good writing. Knowing how to use words correctly is part of the process. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the word represent in a variety of ways. Let's get started. Represent has two different meanings. Represent can mean to take the place of something or someone, or to serve as a symbol. Let's look at the first meaning. Here, the word represent means to stand in the place of something or someone. Mr. Sim represents the company at the national meetings. This means that Mr. Sim goes to the meetings as part of their company, and he will be able to show what his company wants or stands for. Now, in this next sentence, the word represents is used with an idea, not a person. The new policy represents a change in direction for the company. So as you can see, the word represents can be used for a person or for an idea or an object. Now let's look at the meaning for represent, where it serves as a symbol. The logo represents the company's mission. Now this could be read, the logo serves as a symbol of the company's mission. The stars in the American flag represent the number of states. Again, here, the stars serve as a symbol of the number of states in the United States. We can also use this word as an adjective. The representative for the company spoke at the national convention, or he is the representative for their organization. In each of these sentences, the word representative shows that they are serving to represent somebody or something. We can also use it as a noun. The students demanded representation at the school meetings. They wanted to have a voice. They wanted to be able to represent themselves at the meetings. And here's one more sentence. The painting was a beautiful representation of the royal gardens. In this sentence, the word means that the painting was a good image of the royal gardens. It represented the actual gardens very well in a painting. So the word represent can be used as a verb, as an adjective in representative, and as a noun in the word representation. Using good vocabulary is one of the best ways to improve your writing. I hope you found a few new ways to use the word represent. Try using it in your writing soon. Happy writing!